In this example, I'm going to show you how to test the hypothesis for the population mean raw data set is given. We're going to be using the calculator. Anytime I give you a data set, then you should use the calculator. A local group claims that the police issue more than 56 parking tickets a day in their area. To prove their point, they randomly select 2 weeks. Their research yields the number of tickets issued for each day, and as you can see, the data is listed below. The data are listed below. At alpha equals 0.01, test the group's claim. Round the test statistic to the nearest thousands. So first of all, guys, you have to state the null and the alternative hypotheses. So HO and then HA. It's about the mean. What's the group is saying? The group is saying that the police issue more than 56. So more than 56 will be in the alternative. The alternative must have greater than or less than or not equal to. So this will fall in the alternative, and this is where the claim is. And then the null, it's always the equal sign, so that's what? 56. Alpha is 0.01. Okay, here's what you have to do. You're going to go to your calculator. You're going to click on stat. You're going to click on edit. And you're going to enter the data in L1. So to shorten the video time, I already put the data into L1. Now this is what you're going to do next. We need the test statistic and we need the p-value. And if the p-value is less than alpha, we reject HO, and the p-value more than alpha, we fail to reject HO. So we're going to go, I'm going to quit here. Stat, tests, it's a t-test always. Enter. Okay. Input. For the input, you're going to choose data because you have a data set. So make sure that this is highlighted and selected. So enter. U0, it's the assumed value in the null hypothesis, so it's 56. List. If your data is in L1, you choose L1. If not, you just can put it in whatever list, but make sure to change the name of the list here. Frequency, always leave it at 1. And then for the alternative hypothesis, it is greater than, enter. And then I'm going to hit calculate. So I got the test statistic T, or this book calls it T0. So which is what? 1.174. Rounded to 3 decimal places, that says. So what's the p-value here? 4 decimal places always for the p-value. So it's what? 0.130. And I have 6/8, so it's going to go to 7. Now, step number 4, do you reject HO or fail to reject HO? Well, your p-value, which is 0.1307, is more than alpha, which is 0.01. So what will your decision be? Fail to reject HO. You're almost done. Now you have to write your, interpret your decision in the context of the claim. Write something for a reader, something that a reader can understand. So what do we write here? Once you put the word fail, you have to have the word not. There is not enough evidence at the 0.01 level of significance to support. We cannot support the claim because the claim is in HA and we fail to reject HO. To support the claim that the police issues more than 56 parking tickets per day. That's it. This is how you use the calculator to solve this problem.